back to stuff here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve this equation right here. So what it's asking you is to find the length of the side opposite to the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse, 4 feet, and this is opposite. We're trying to find x, and for the hypotenuse and the adjacent side make a 40-degree angle. So what you want to do is do SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. T stands for tangent, C stands for cosine, and S stands for sine. So basically the sine is right here. Sine is always this angle, C. Sine says OH. And you're trying to find OH. These two angles. These are the two angles that are going to be inside the equation, so you use sine. SOH, OH. So you do sine 40 degrees, what do you do? Equals 4 feet, because H goes after. So O goes on top, so it kind of goes like this. What should I write it? OPP, HYP. Sine equals this. OVP, opposite over hypotenuse. So do the same thing. X over 4, and you multiply this by 4. Those cancel out, and to keep it equivalent to this side, if you add something on this side, it won't be equivalent. So you just do a line over this and it won't work. So what you want to do to make it equal the same thing again is multiply by 4. So now you have 4 in parentheses sine 40 degrees equals x. So basically, this equation represents the model and the question you're trying to answer. And sine 40, if you type that into your calculator, it should equal something around 0.6428, but there would be more digits usually. There are more digits, but just to keep it accurate, you would usually cut it down to 4. So it's basically asking 4 times 0.6428, which on this side is everything, would be 2.57. X equals 2, this is y, 2.57. Now, there are 2 more digits, but I just cut those out on the last equation. So, that's all for today. If you want to find one side of a triangle, and you only have, like, if you try to find one side of a triangle and you only have this side and the degrees, you can do the same thing, like this. But you can do the same exact thing with cosine and tangent. So if you were to do cosine with a different triangle, obviously you can't do the same thing with the same triangle, a different thing with the same triangle. You would just do cosine, like COS, and then the number of degrees, like let's just say 50 degrees equals, I don't know, cosine, so opposite over, oh no, not opposite, adjacent. Adjacent ADJ over hypotenuse HYP. So you just do adjacent over hypotenuse and same thing. So basically the formula for these equations, like any of them, is SOHCAHTOA, like sine, cosine or tangent right here, and then the number of degrees right here equals opposite or whatever, right there, boom, you have that, and then multiply it by denominator, and then you got that, and then you have to do this. So you just have to fill that out, and then just this times this. Equals x. So that's basically what you have to know. So you put cosine, tangent, sine right here. One of those, depending on which triangle you have. Because this one, we have to use sine, because which other one has O and H? But we don't use A at all, because in this equation, in these ones down here, we don't need A at all, really. We only, we usually only use two, CSOH, AH and OA for SOH, CAH, TOA, SOHCAHTOA. You only use two of them, see? And in this triangle, you only use O and H. So I hope you all learned something from that, and I will see you all next episode. Bye.